A presentation from our Korean medical device company will begin soon. The company that will start the presentation is Tua Bio. The presenter is Dr. Kwangsung Choi from Inha University Hospital. The title of the lecture is Univ Next Generation Lift-Driven Solutions, Korean Manufacturing, Quality and Clinical Application. We will give you a small prize to the most active audience members. Thank you for participating.
네, 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Good morning, everyone. It's my great pleasure to introduce lifting thread made by Tua Bio Korean company, Luna Q and the Nova series. My name is Kwangsung Choi from Inha University Hospital. My major is dermatology. I'm also the director of the Institute for Biomedical and Translational Healthcare. Today I talk about the 12 hours product, but I don't have any conflict of interest. Today I talk about the brief review of thread lift, and I also introduce 12 hour company and their brand product and their competitive advantages. Also, I touch the simplified procedure guideline, and finally I show you the clinical result before and after the facelifting. What is thread lifting? Thread lifting is the procedure that uses absorbable surgical thread to lift the skin. By inserting the absorbable thread with modification, you can easily lift the sagging skin, achieving the more beautiful and anti-aging effect. Furthermore, as I told, absorbable suture, the thread biodegrades. So when the thread degrades, it stimulates collagen synthesis. It enhances more skin rejuvenation. Thread lift can be classified by the material contents or the shape. The PDO is the originally used for absorbable suture for after the surgery. Is the first generation of thread material. It can be useful for tight skin tightening and immediate lifting, but it just have a short duration, about 6 months. So the second generation of thread are developed. This is PLLA, polyl lactic acid. It lasts longer times than PDO, and it stimulates the collagen synthesis rather than tightening or lifting. But it has some disadvantages because the thread is too rigid. Sometimes it makes discomfort when it inserted into the skin. The third generation is PCL, polycarbocaprolactone. It's the longest duration of the action, and it's also very flexible and soft, so it can be used any part of the faces, including bounce areas. The new and luxury generation of thread lifting thread material is PLCL. It's the combination of PLLA and PLC copolymer. So it have the both advantages of PLLA PCL. So it can be used conveniently by the practitioners and also the patient. Lifting thread also be classified by their structure, by their shape. As you see these figures, the smooth filament is the singles, smooth filament we call mono. When the mono filament inserted together, we call them multiple. When the mono threads are twisted by helical shapes, we call them screw. When the screw are more completely twisted, we call them carbon or cable. It looks like a spring. But the most important thread for facial lifting is core thread. Core thread have some barb or coils to hold the skin tightly and maintaining the anchoring forces. So the cord or bolt is most powerful lifting thread. Nowadays, there are another thread like mesh. Mesh is the looks like a net. It encircle the single thread. When it inserted inside the face, the collagen can be spread to the inside of the thread, so it gives more powerful tightening of the skin. Successful thread lifting comes from a well design, the successful design. As you see, when you evaluate the face of the patient, we must design the vector, which direction we can lift. By combining the vertical, transverse, or oblique vectors, we can easily lift the sagging skins. As you see, when we want the more powerful elevation, we use cog thread because cog can hold anchoring the skin easily. We anchor the temporal facial area so it can continuously lift the sagging skin also. When you want to fill the sunken tissues, you can use the mono or spring-like screw thread. We insert the thread like the fan-like pattern, or sometimes we overlap the layers. When we insert like this pattern, it gives concrete, very effective skin volumization. Thread lifting can elevate whole face, jawline, mid face, or nasolabial fold and marionette line. Also, eyebrow elevation. Also, it can be applied to neck area and the submental area also. Sometimes it can be used for body sculpting. It can be applied to arms, abdomen, thighs, and buttocks. Let me introduce the 12 Bio. 12 Bio is the medical device company specialized in the development and the manufacturing of observable thread that help medical professionals and also enhance the patient quality of life. This is the lineup of 12 Bio. Luna Q is the conventional thread brand. This product is mono or co or mold type of thread. The Nova series is the next generation product. It has the specialized structures that enhance both volume and collagen production. Among them, Nova Cable is the core new product that directly reflected this company's innovative direction. 12 Bio's competitiveness comes from three key points. First, the technology and quality control. Second, globally certified trust. Third, customization to and broad portfolio to client needs. The technology, 12 Bio utilizing patented manufacturing technology, they achieve 1.5 to 2 times higher tensile strength compared to other companies. This is very important, ensuring the thread remains stable even in high movement area of the face. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control, including tensile strength and moisture measurement test before packaging. This is picture shows that the dual BIOS product and other companies' product. As you see, the core shows more sharp and the spatially uniform. And the shape of this core shapes is better than other companies because they use the press molding techniques. When the core thread remain in tissues, the core length and the angle may be decreased, but the dual BIOS product shows better sustainable integrity comparing to other company. Second, as lifting thread is classified as class 4 medical devices. Obtaining the international certification is very important. 12Bio is an ISO and GMP certified company. 12Bio have secured certification in 11 countries, including Europe, Korea, Brazil, and Indonesia. Nowadays, there are another 8 countries under the registration in progress, including Thailand and Iran. 12Bio offers extensive manufacturing capability available for a variety of material, PDO, PLCL, PCL, PLLA. Also, they can provide variety of needle types according to treatment purpose, and they provide all types of stroke figures of thread to meet specific client needs. This is Nova series. Nova series expands upon the Lunar line, offering simultaneous lifting and filling effect. As you see, Nova cable, Nova mesh, Nova core mesh, Nova mold mesh. By combining these threads, Nova series have reinforced the structural support and increased PDO content to maximize collagen production. This is another case of 12Bio innovation, Nova cable. Compared to conventional cable thread, they eliminated the attaching thread to improve the smooth insertion by replacing this insertion with sponge. It can diminish the patient discomfort. Second is they also remove the secondary guide cannula, so it can be easily inserted, and the insertion is more faster than conventional cannula. Also, Nova cable can be made not only PDO, also PLCL, so it has another advantages. This is the video that shows the very quick and easy insertion and removal of the thread. You can, as you see, when reach the sponge, and they just remove the needles. The Nova cable thread already inserted. This is the standard lifting procedure following 6 simple steps. The first step is the pre-evaluation, the patient wrinkle, and marking the entry point and the vector lines. Second, disinfect the face and do anesthesia to kill the pain. Third, puncture the entry point to create a clear pathway for the thread. Four, deep infiltration may be needed when you do more deep and long thread insertion. 5, inserting the thread gently into along the pre-designed vector lines to the target tissues. 6, tension adjustment. Pull the thread to the achieved desired lift and carefully balancing the tension for natural symmetry. Finally, the excess thread are trimmed and the tissue is molded to ensure smooth and contour finish. This is the pictures before and after the lifting using LunaQ PLCL twin mold like this. This ladies shows the immediate lifting, shows a very impressive result. This is another case of the laser lifting using PDO nose core thread. It looks like this. By just inserting two PDO core nose, you can see the height improvements, the elevated nose, very amazing. This is the Korean old man's face. After inserting the Nova Cave, just a piece of Nova Cave can improve this man's nasolabial fold and marionette lines. You can also combine fillers. After inserting thread, filler, like the hyaluronic acid filler, can enhance the lifting capacity by anchoring tissue more effectively and smoothing the transition. You can also combine the skin boosters, as you know. After inserting the thread, you can do a booster for the complementary and powerful synergy. To meet these diverse aesthetic goals, 12i also developed Suera Q, a premium skin booster brand. Suera Q have high concentration, high purity active ingredient with 9 different formulations. 12i is evolving from thread manufacturers into a total aesthetic solution company. 12i continuously conduct clinical seminars with key opinion leaders in complete collaboration with leading Korean aesthetic societies. 12i also provide hands-on training and live demonstration for global medical professionals. 12i also regular collaboration with global partners to discuss growth strategies and expand international networking through dedicated educational program. 12i is looking for partners to grow together as the company lead the future of global aesthetic solution. Thank you for your attention.